Hi everyone. Welcome to Belajar Jadi Mudah, where learning is made easy and fun. Today, we're going to learn the English alphabet with examples. Let's get started. A. Apple. B. Ball. C. Cat. D. Dog. E. Elephant. F. Fish. G. Grapes. H. Hat. I. Ice cream. J. Juice. K. Kite. L. Lion. M. Monkey. N. Nest. O. Orange. P. Pencil. Q. Queen. R. Rabbit. S. Snake. T. Tree. U. Umbrella. V. Van. W. Watch. X. Xylophone. Y. Yo-yo. Z. Zebra. That's all for today's lesson on the alphabet. Keep practicing and you'll master all the letters in no time. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check out more lessons on Belajar Jadi Mudah. See you next time.